Welcome back, guys. We just got backed up here to another utility truck. This is a digger truck, Freightliner. Got a Cummins in it. It's thrown the harmonic balancer off, so that's been a problem that we've been seeing a bunch out of these L9 engines from Cummins. The bolts break off and it slings the balancer off. So it's four-wheel drive, so we'll have to hook it up a little different than the normal way, but come with me and we'll get at it. Today I'm in the 25-ton Peterbilt 567. I don't know if you guys have seen this truck or not. Oh, forgot our remote. Let's grab our remote. It's four-wheel drive, so one side gets a fork and the other side gets a U-boat cup. That's the way I do them. Everybody does them different. That's the way I do these. We're down in Providence, Kentucky, and it's going back to the Freightliner dealer in Bowling Green. These trucks are pretty heavy, so I always like to bring a bigger truck than the single axle. For the horsepower mainly. The weight some, but horsepower. This truck's obviously got more horsepower than the single axle. Let's grab the fork from the other side. This truck has the 500 horse Cummins X15. That's not the one I want. I want a medium. You guys heard that pause in my voice. I was thinking to myself there, grab the wrong fork. Raise it up, put our straps on it. I know a lot of people say not that, and it even says on the U-boat cups it's for rear tow only, but that's for rear tow of two-wheel drive trucks only. But this one being a four-wheel drive, they have the heavy U-boats, so I feel comfortable using them. Let's release the brakes, take the tension off the drive shaft. We'll get the drive shaft out. The truck has air, so the brakes will release. You'll see the balancer laying there. It was wedged in between the front of the crank and the fan. I took it out and put it in here so it wouldn't fall out and hit somebody go down the road. Drive shafts on these trucks are usually 1/2 inch. So that's what I'm gonna take back there. Grab the impact. Couple ratchets, a hammer, blacktop here is pretty clean, so we won't use a mat. Sometimes we get lucky. Grab a ratchet to break the bolts loose with the ratchet before we put the gun on them. I'll get the air fittings, but I haven't looked yet to see what we're going to do. So the dryer on these four-wheel drive trucks is in the back. You know, the two-wheel drive trucks, dryer's usually right here on the Freightliner M2, but 4-wheel drives, they put them further back. Oh me. All right. No pressure on the drive shaft. All right. There's that. Now we'll run air back here to the dryer. I already looked, it did not have a quick connect. Not an easy one to get to at the engine at least, so I'll go grab the tools and I'll be right back, and we'll grab the dryer here. Probably so we don't have to pump it down. I'll probably just take the pop-off valve off and go right there. Otherwise we'd have to pump all the air out of it to get that quick connect out. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing or not. I hope you can. See, took the pop-off valve off, put my quick connect in right there. Hook our air hose up. Run it through a few of these so it stays tied up out of the way. We'll put our tools away. These tools at least. We're not done, but we're getting closer. We'll leave a socket on that ratchet because we're going to need it when we get to the drop-off location. Dad telling me he's headed back. He's down in Tennessee picking one up. Let's put these in the floorboard. If the passengers, we used to put them on the driver's side, but that's the universal place to put them. But since I'm putting everything back in, we're on this side of the truck, we'll just lay them right here. All right, let's try to route this hose to where it won't fall off. Well, it ain't gonna fall off, we just want it falling and dragging. We may go ahead and run service brakes to this one too, just because it's a digger and 4-wheel drive. We don't necessarily have to. I mean, we can stop it without it, but it makes it easier if we have the brakes hooked. Easier, or not easier, safer. I should say safer. That's the main goal, to be safe. All right, let's run the air to it. Get it airing up. It's probably already aired up, I guess. I thought there wasn't any air in the dryer though. That's kind of odd. Thought it was still aired up earlier. Wrap it around here a few times. There we go. I believe we got air. We may have to put our this in. This cuts the air down to 100 pounds. Oh, it's going all right now. We'll leave it like it is. That's a regulator, preset regulator. Well, I've got it preset, but let's pull it in, get a little closer to us. We'll put the safety chains on it, light bar, and we'll maybe hook the brakes up, service brakes. Let her down some now. Let's put the light bar on it. All right. Do we want to hook up the brakes? Let's let her all the way down and hook them up. Not that much trouble. That'll be our last step. Then we'll clean up and be on the road. Let's grab the stuff that we need. Let's see. And a wrench to push on the locking collar. Need a 3/8 quick connect. And we need air hose. All right, it's this 3/8 line behind this red one. Sometimes they're easy to pull off, sometimes they're a bear. We'll see what this one is. There we go. Push that on, and this way when I hit my brakes, I'll have my truck brakes and these truck brakes will work. One more step to be safe. You definitely want to do that if you're in our single axle 5130. You want the extra brake help. We're just about ready, guys. Grease off of there. Let's strap that steering wheel and then we will raise it back up. But we want to strap the steering wheel to hold the wheel straight while we're in tow. We'll get our cones picked up. But we'll strap the steering wheel while it's down low so we don't have to climb so high. That beeping is because the door's open and the parking brake's not set. For any of you that didn't know already.